This Air Innovations Model 408 Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is one of the top-rated, longest-running, and most versatile humidifiers available for its size. Key features: 1.1-gallon tank that runs for a full 70 HRS on low, almost 9 nights of sleep, and is completely silent when running. It's powerful enough to add humidity to medium-sized rooms up to 400 square feet. It comes with a permanent ceramic filter to help trap impurities in your water. It also features a 360-degree rotating mist nozzle that helps direct the moisture where you want it. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Additional features are a built-in handle on the top and bottom of the tank with an extra wide opening for easy filling and carrying, as well as an auto shut-off. Great for kids and babies. This cool mist humidifier also rehydrates your skin, relieves dry eyes, scratchy throats, postnasal drip, and helps reduce snoring so you sleep better. As a bonus, it also rehydrates wood furniture, cabinets, wood floors, and wooden guitars. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Permanent ceramic filter. You never have to buy new filters. Number 2. Runs up to 70 hours on one tank. Fill it once every 3 days. Number 3. Great bedroom humidifier. Automatic shutoff. Number 4. Silent operation. Adjustable mist output. Dual directional mist nozzle. Number 5. It rehydrates skin, helps you breathe and sleep better. Number 6. Variable mist control dial. The Air Innovations MH408 has a simple control system that allows you to control the mist output by simply rotating the dial. Due to the controls being a simple dial, there is no need for frustration in the control of your humidifier, leaving you to enjoy the cool mist happily. Number 7. 3600 rotating mist nozzle. The unit comes with a rotating mist nozzle. With its rotating capabilities, you can point the humidifier's mist in any direction you desire to maximize the effectiveness of your humidifier. Enjoy your cool mist from any room in your home. Number 8. Permanent ceramic filter. Air Innovations humidifiers come with a permanent ceramic filter to filter the water you use in your humidifier. The uniqueness of this ceramic filter is that it is a low-maintenance humidifier filter. Every time you refill your humidifier, you simply need to just rinse this filter under the faucet for a few minutes before placing back into the unit for use. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.